Amid speculations of reshuffling of ministerial posts, BJP National General Secretary Ram Madhav arrives in Imphal to thank BJP supporters. Six protesters, including 4 women, sustained injury during protests against construction of food park and jewellery park at 44 YTB Local. Anti-Drug Joint Committee Kairang Khomidok denies thrashing Mohammed Halim to death, says Halim succumbed to his illness. Week-long World Environment Day observance in the state continues. Various saplings planted at Lamdeng Solid Waste Management Plants today. And thousands of devotees attend consecration of Manipur's largest Lining Thau Sanamahi Kiyong, located at Siloi Langmai Ching in Imphal East today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Wusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Amid speculations of reshuffling of ministerial posts in the state, National General Secretary of Bharatiya Janata Party Ram Madhav arrived in Imphal today on a 2-day state visit. This is his first visit in Manipur after the NDA-led BJP government came to power for the second term. State cabinet ministers, MLAs and BJP supporters led by Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren gave a rousing welcome to Ram Madhav upon his arrival at Imphal International Airport. Responding to media query as to whether his state visit is related to reshuffling of ministerial posts or not, Ram Madhav stated that he came to thank the people of the state who have voted for BJP in the recent 17th Lok Sabha election. The BJP National General Secretary disclosed that he will hold a crucial meeting with BJP State Executive Council during his stay in the state capital. Ram Madhav attended a felicitation program for the 2 MPs of the state elected recently, BJP candidate Dr. R.K. Ranjan from Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency and NPF candidate Dr. S. Lorho from Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency at MFDC Auditorium in Palace Compound this afternoon. Ram Madhav will leave for Delhi Sunday afternoon.
We were hoping to win both the seats. Nevertheless, we won the Manipur inner seat. We are happy about the victory and we wanted to thank the people of Manipur for giving us this grand victory. My visit is related to thanking the people of Manipur for the excellent support they have given to us in the parliament election. As I said, this visit is about thanksgiving only.
Later, Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren and State Cabinet Ministers called upon Ram Madhav at Hotel Classic Grant in Chingmairong. Former Congress MLAs who have recently joined the BJP and other BJP MLAs also came to visit Ram Madhav. The BJP National General Secretary held over 2-hour-long meeting with the MLAs and the ministers. Some ministers wore gloomy looks on their face as they come out from the meet. Works Minister T.H. Biswajit came out from the meeting room much ahead of Ram Madhav and Chief Minister N. Biren. Minister T.H. Biswajit refused to respond to Impact News query on possible reshuffling of ministerial posts and sped away in his car. Failure to respond to media queries also by both the party National General Secretary and the Chief Minister as they leave the meeting room surmised that some disagreement might have occurred in the meeting. Meanwhile, Impact News sources said 2 Congress MLAs who have recently joined the BJP and 1 BJP MLA might be allotted ministerial posts and that portfolios of some ministers might be reorganized. 6 protesters, including 4 women, sustained injury during an agitation against construction of a food park and a jewellery park at 44 YTB Local today. Impact News sources said volunteers of Lokon Land Owners Association blocked National Highway 102 Imphal More Road near Langthabal Khunau and staged a protest meet. Intense scuffles occurred between the protesters and Thaubal police team as the police team tried to scatter the agitators. 6 individuals, including 4 women, reportedly got injured when police fired tear gas shells. The injured protesters were taken to Thawal District Hospital for treatment. People of both hills and valley today jointly took out a protest rally under the initiative of Maphodam Road Chingtam Action Committee, demanding authorities concerned to repair the road leading to Maphodam. Taking part in the protest made stage after the rally at rural market in Moirangpurel, Pura Amkhong, one Maira Paibi member El Thaba declared detachment from the government by people of both hills and valley of the area. She also demanded removal of all the government properties from the area by June 10. Speaking to media, ex-headman of Nongdam village, Ramthing, stated that they had been urging the relevant department to repair the road for years now. He reminded that even Chief Minister Nongthong Biren assured to repair the road, however, fails to fulfill his promise even after a year. Ramthing condemns the government for not walking the talks.
ban tawri singa si tarani mu sure sarkar sina hoi mai mu ma khabar hartuk be matung na karimta habi raktra hu jufa adu di nga si daina hayeng baw ban komthoni sarkar gi oiba pot ro hontok bi ro de hangche jang ta di kari oini akoi mai thabni khangde ini akoi apa ma tawrani se sarkar na khutin jel ko yaro sarkar ga akoi ko mari leina tre ma biren ma samak lamini thidai da hongbo matamda man harmi athoba matamda lambi sema ni haramaga chahi kya sure tingung manung le da usitama mali biren jo adu tawbinu
Jimmy Tami Cookie Mayte Kunkang Kun Ashiki Lumpy Tong. Yempio Equinas Tana Tova at the Strat Tova si Hakuni ke Hovani, Nashi Pavata, Numi Mangani, Amushuasa, Garishu Kumpite, Pracha, Nupinupa Kaya Kante, Equisro Shengini, Pracha Mayana Pamba to Chatakani.
Anti-Drug Joint Committee Kairang Komidog has flatly denied trashing of Mohammed Halim to death. Speaking to media at an undisclosed location in Imphal West today, Secretary of the committee MD Anwar asserted that the committee nabbed late MD Halim for peddling drugs and was handed over to Haingang Police Station around 7:30 p.m. on June 6. He maintained that MD Halim succumbed to an illness late in the night around 11:30 on the same day. The committee expressed grief upon his demise and also urged the relevant authorities to nab those miscreants who assaulted a journalist who went to cover the news of mob violence over MD Halim's death and those who vandalized the houses of members of the committee.
Itnongan bagi Haikru Makhong Bazar yamna lang na ba timing amoiba. Adugi timing ama lauraga angang ani khak aikhoi anti-drug joint committee gi member singna aikhoi phaba sida mangondagi wahang pahang tobada kanadagi lauge na hangba matamda hairiba leikhidriba Halim hairiba nipas dagi lauwe hai paya haina aikhoi kairang muslim gi club ama lei adugi lampakta khoi numidang si mangonda sum chinna wahang pahang khara chathai SP tablet tanipan dagi ani taba zatret 99 799 aduga MY tablet 180 SP tablet 16 aduga SP tablet nate N10 tablet 16 aduga number 4 gram mangaga hairiba posak mayamasi mangondagi recover tawe.
Local residents have warned to block Imphal Kangchup Road indefinitely starting tomorrow if authorities concerned fail to unravel the truth behind the unnatural death of Oinam Ulentomba alias Inau from Lamdeng Kuno. Local residents staged a sit-in against the same today. A women protester stated that Ulentomba was found hanging from a tree near his residence in a suspicious manner in the morning of June 5.
Ado pulami ba pochiju thaurina tawramde aduna lekai ama oina akhoina magi poche thajade haibagi khoi mayami phambani hayeng bawgi manungsida asengba langlalanjin puthoktraga de khoi hayeng dagi lambi thingba aina chu warendare heng tawri.
3 saplings were planted at Lamdeng Solid Waste Management Plant in Lamshang constituency today as part of week-long World Environment Day observance in the state. Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC, Mahut and Lamshang Municipal Council jointly organized the 3 plantation drive. Mahut Minister Thanojam Shyam Kumar, Commissioner Mongjam Joy, Director TH Hari Kumar, IMC Mayor L Lokeshwar, Lamshang Municipal Council Chairperson and councillors took part in the event. Speaking on the occasion, Minister T.H. Shyamkumar stated that government targets to plant 10 lakh tree saplings at various locations on the occasion of week-long World Environment Day observance in the state and the upcoming Van Mahotsav event. He reminded that 60,000 tree saplings were planted in various educational institutions of the state under the Education Department on June 5. The minister asserted that government will ensure that these saplings are properly nurtured to maturity.
मैम मी खर मथंग थारपना मणिपुर तोान तोान मफम जगह कॉलेज की NGO की छात्र की तोान तोान थारपना इन्वायरमेंट से कनबद अचौब सरुप यागनी थाइब उसिंग थाबक नदना हेन हौनब इसा थाइब उ मैम अखोगी हेन हौनब होनबीब अदुगदी अखोई चंखली खोंथांग असि पुंग फारे अमदि मही याले हदना अखोई लौमिनसि थाबदी लाइ हौमदनि क्वाइदि इम्पोर्टेंट ओइबदि अखोई मेंटेनेंस अमा अखोई इसा थाइब जगह से अखोइना अखोई नॉर्मली अखोई वी मे गो make come new. Quick time, ma'am, I pass it and talked up. I ain't home, ma'am, continues till is successful. Bung party walk with my pan to me from the 8 times. The Queen Tamadam, the next again as cookie, 10 lakhs plant. One employment there plus Banbaso.
Lining Tho Sanamahi Kiong, located at Seloi Langmai Ching, also known as Nongmai Ching in Imphal East District, was consecrated today. The biggest Lining Tho Sanamahi temple in Manipur was finally completed after tedious construction span over 13 years, 2 months and 13 days. Thousands of devotees took part in the holy ceremony organized by Foundation for University of Sanamahi Culture and Lining Tho Sanamahi Thaugal Kanglup. Wife of Chief Minister Nongthong Bambirin and Hiainu graced the event and unveils the consecration monolith. The organizers expressed that various religious ceremonies as well as other indigenous events of Meitei community will be held from time to time at the Kiong. They also said that the tourism department has offered assistance to enhance the aesthetic value of the shrine.
Like Rombasida, Asuki Mati Hena, Nuaize, Aduga Lunana, Sanamahi, Hong Basidagidi, Asidagidi, Nuaya Papa, Sahonga Hongba, Tangdu Laitana, Nungsinana, Nungsisanana, Laminaba, have the order see.
Blueprint ama ada theater na thamliba se masai sida tahi ani gi manungda masig phim si yorkani haina koi tourism department gi director na takpi madu line thong pusin bibo election u haina ang line thong da kurumjari khage baning tho hakta gi chatna ba hoki bagum sana mahi gi sakpal ama pithaina haiduna laisangi mayon da thamduna irachare aduga thaina degi chanarakpa ipa ipu sina khubam damak yaraga yumthong khuding da lanarambugum leinung ka asidana Kubam Yaduna Lachare, Masida, Miamna, Ninka Tamna, Makalamna, Kurumbinaba, Lainto Sanami, Tawuna, Nulukna Hajari. Lainto Sanamahina, Yaifari.
A book named Forgotten Voices of the Japan Land, authored by Yaipaba Mitei Kangjam, was released in the Imperial Hall of Classic Grand in Chingmerong today. Speaking in the event, CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham criticized politicians of trying to ignite war to seize power, despite public's desire for peace and harmony. Insinuating that such power struggles are even observed among those in the state governance, he maintained that wars bring no solution to any social issues but only shouts. Former Art and Culture Commissioner K. Radhakumar and author come surviving witness of the Second World War, K. H. Nimai Charan, also attended the event.
Patabadi Hiram the Sindargadi, Suki Man Tanging Iweba, Manipur, the Sumayam, Nadum Kambiri, Sahi and the Pope on Naiba, the Sarkars here, Sati Munavadi, Kalak Kaman Navadagi, Gamen, Saram Kairana Tolabana, Manipur Brazada, the Kalan, the Walk and Mayama, Lebaki Sasunda, Mayama Laisi, Machini, and the Landagi, Randi, Jariba Quinaso. Sumbagi wakalonda maca maca mang betapa tolakwa apa amat terborok terus masih aku tambah karena gadian ini kanjau.
Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on a one-day ICU workshop on diseased organ donation at Jennings. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Jennings Department of Anesthesiology and Multi-Organ Harvesting Aid Network Mohan Foundation jointly organized one-day ICU workshop on diseased organ donation at Jennings MS Conference Hall today. Taking part in the event, Associate Professor of Anesthesiology, Department of Jennings, Dr. Rakesh Nongthongbam, encouraged people to declare to donate their organs after deaths to save another person's life. Many eminent doctors attended the workshop.
ꯂꯩꯒꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯌꯧꯁꯤꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯥꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯂꯤꯚꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯤꯗꯅꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯗꯣꯅꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯦꯋꯦꯔꯅꯦꯁ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯦꯠ ꯇꯧ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ICUꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯤꯗꯦꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯐꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯅꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ICUꯗ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔꯒ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ICU ꯇꯤꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ICU ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯟꯁꯤꯚꯤꯁ ꯑꯦꯅꯦꯁꯊꯦꯁꯤꯌꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤ ꯁꯔꯖꯟꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ICUꯒꯤ ꯅꯔꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯂꯔ ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯦꯞ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯅꯤ.
Imphal Obstetrics and Gynecology Society IOGS and Inca Life Sciences organized a program Hello Tomorrow at Hotel Classic North AOC today. The program was held as a part of continuing medical education CME series under the banner of Federation of Obstetric and Gynecological Societies of India. Featured talks on the topics preterm labor, gestational diabetes mellitus and abnormal uterine bleeding were held in 3 different panel discussions. Members of IOGS, obstetricians of RIMS and JENIMS and postgraduate students of gynecology attended the program.
Anabasi, Hanigil Mipium to the Henen, Anova, Mayam Tanger for Yorpatiki, Masikaramai Toroga, Pagadaki Habadu, Koi Dr. Miamsi, individually lying Bagimahuta, Akoyam's group discussion Toroga, Karamamong, the Hen of Pagadaki Habansi, Kanaraga Koi, Aduma programs, Koi CME program, Koi Masi Satazar.
Free Progress Academy Kontojam felicitated its students who secured high marks in the recent Class 10 examination conducted by Board of Secondary Education, Manipur, today. Principal of the school, L. Indrakumar, presented cash rewards to 25 students who secured first division in the examination. Speaking on the occasion, L. Indrakumar mentioned that the school has been providing free education to physically challenged children and to children of widows and destitute families for years now.
Mama Poki tuition Tawjadaba, Skunjida Sum Tamaga, Makoi Masana self study, Tohanba, Wazasina, Akoi, Tanigumba, coaching class Tawi, Maduda, Akoina Sanga Sangaga Makoi Sing Larik Pahanmani, Adaigis di, Koi Wazasing Sinohona Racing, Lairaba Masama Sunaktani, Lairaba, Masama Suhaidi Ayam, P. Hundaban Ayambani, Adu Akoi de government school got up Manaraban Amarunda, Koigi Lukrabi Masa, Lajadraba Masa, Hidi Akoi P. Lodi. Aduga Kudong Chadava, Soinaraba, Angangsing, Su Haji P. Lodi, P. Lester, Koi Lake Tam Handari.
73 students of Nambol Higher Secondary School who secured above 60% and letter marks in the recent BOSEM Class 10 and COSEM Class 12 examination were also felicitated today. The felicitation program held at the school auditorium was dedicated to late former principal of the school, Sinam Sunilal. Speaking in the event, wife of the late principal, Sinam Sunila, assured that the late principal's memorial trust will help in every possible manner to produce toppers and first division students from the government school as per the late principal's wish. She encouraged her teachers and students of the school to work with dedication to achieve success.
Akanbo honabiu aduga ojasingnasu honabibagi mathakta amoina honabiraga Nambol Higher Secondary High School se sidagi jahi khudingda first division sida yawnaba jamayamna honabigani haibasima I thamjage.
Shitaljit Ningsing Seba Committee today observed the 11th death anniversary of eminent writer R.K. Shitaljit, who took a major role in promoting Manipuri literature. The memorial observance was held at the auditorium of Jawaharlal Nehru Dance Academy, Imphal. Eminent persons who attended the program lauded late R.K. Shitaljit for his contributions in the field of Manipuri literature and others. The committee also presented its annual award for highest mark scorer in Manipuri subject of BOSEM Class 10 examination on the occasion. Four-day pineapple and other fruits festival will be held at Sangaitel Park in Imphal West from June 19 to 22. Speaking to media in a promotional press meet held at Sangaitel Park today, DC Imphal West Naurem Praveen stated that luscious pineapples and other fruits cultivated in Sangaitel, Long Koireng, Thangjing Chiru, Koken, Sahibung, Boljang, Yangnofai and other surrounding villages will be made available in altogether 50 stalls during the festival. He asserted that the festival aims to promote cultivation of such luscious fruits and to boost income of the farmers. DC Pravin also mentioned that experts from ICAR Research Complex for North East Region, Central Agricultural University and the Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department will enlighten farmers on various farming techniques, and various advanced agricultural equipments from outside the state will be on display during the festival.
Sangaitel Park siga COVID leriba village mayam sida pineapple si mapung phana muk hawan bagi dagi COVID leriba prajasing sida haira thabagi then environment ki siga awareness si masi porna ba madugi pandam loina sigi festival si sinjabani festival manung sida koi stall mayam sida makoi makoi gi products new technologies adagi then marak sida koi ICR adagi kaugi experts mayam laaga COVID leriba prajasing sida koi haira thabagi maram kamain thani dan madugi use of new technology soil se kamaina kano tawni adi yamna kano da khogi organic way mon kamain thani khoni hebagi maduna mapung way ba kano festival sigi.
Toyota Kirloskar Motor TKM's brand new car, Toyota Glanza, was launched at Toyota Pune Airport Road today. The car with K-series petrol engine comes in 4 models with total effective control technology, body and many new features, with price ranging from 7,21,900 rupees to 8,90,200 rupees. The car, which is available in 5 enticing colors, cafe white, sporting red, insta blue, gaming grey and enticing silver, comes with a warranty of 5 years or 22,000 kilometers. Manager of Axis Bank Wakatil branch Subhandi Bhattacharjee and manager of Toyota Pune K. Sushil Kumar were present in the launching ceremony. Secretary in charge of Manipur Rifles Association in Rajendra termed it very unfortunate that some shooters under the association claim that they are facing various inconvenience due to inefficient functioning of the association. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Rajendra announced that the association will be organizing a shooting tournament this year, July. He also disclosed that pending election of the association will be conducted in the near future. Secretary to Chief Minister in a press release notified that the combined Hills Leaders Day and People's Day for the current month will be held on June 20. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Amid speculations of reshuffling of ministerial posts, BJP National General Secretary Ram Madhav arrives in Imphal to thank BJP supporters. Six protesters, including 4 women, sustained injury during protests against construction of food park and jewelry park at 44 YTB Local. Anti-Drug Joint Committee Kairang Komidok denies trashing Mohammad Halim to death, says Halim succumbed to his injuries. Week-long World Environment Day observance in the state continues. Various saplings planted at Lamding Solid Waste Management Plant today. And thousands of devotees attend consecration of Manipur's largest lining Thosanamai Kiong located at Seloi Langmai Ching in Imphal East today.